Hey, what's going on, guys? BootMGR. Like you might notice, this looks very different than what I do normally, sitting by my chair, which I put up on my bed for real quick to show you guys a video, because my sister went to use a laptop the other night, and look what it's doing. It says BootMGR is missing, which BootMGR means boot manager. If you didn't know, then it says to press Control-Alt-Delete to see if it will restart. Let's try. And it's restarting. And it'll just press escape key for something. So I try doing that. If it boots up again, come on. Let's go. There we go. Press escape. Okay, so system information, BIOS setup, enter to continue startup. For more information. So why don't we try to see if system recovery will work. Hopefully system recovery will work, because, you know, choice code. Because you should know that you should always make a backup, so hopefully this will work. But while we're waiting for this, I'm gonna reel in the wheel. While we're waiting for this, I'm gonna wheel in the intro. Okay, so during that process, I got a little beep code errors, so it's starting up again. I'm probably gonna try see if the hard drive is connected correctly. I think it is, but I'm just gonna double check for that. Which I'm gonna double check real quick. Okay, so let me just shut down this puppy. Now, oh boy, I'm gonna have to move this real quick. Yeah.
Is Caleb with you?
No.
Where's Caleb?
I don't know. Yeah, I have a lot of screwdrivers. So let's just find the right one. I need a Phillips, that's a star. I won't need that one for this one. Oh, there it goes. Oh well, I'll get it later, if I remember. So first take out the battery real quick. Put that right there. Now let's try to get this sucker out. Looks like the screw's already loose. Okay, now, hopefully that wasn't an issue. Maybe, hopefully everything's plugged in correctly. Maybe I need a better screwdriver. I had to jerry-rig this flat blade to work. Now, let's see. Okay. It looks like it's incorrectly. I mean, here, let me move the camera a little bit closer. Because if you look right here. See? There's perfectly good connection, and two screws are in diagonal. Those are two screws. I wonder where they went. But anyways, I did not take out those. But anyways, let's check the RAM to make sure that's properly in. Okay, that's in. CPU, I assume that's a CPU. But I don't think anybody's taking any of this stuff out since it's been built and sent to us. I hope not. Okay, so now let me see if she'll want to boot for us. Where's that screwdriver? Might just go see if I have one that'll work. Tightened. There we go. That side's tightened. Now, hopefully this won't be a pain to be put in, which it seems like it is. You know, things are always easier to take apart than it is to put back together. And putting back together is not as fun as taking apart stuff. Have you ever noticed that, guys? I mean, that's my opinion on this. So let me try. Maybe if I can get the screwdriver tightened. Okay, I mean, it's going to be that little bump, but in case we have to take it apart later, I guess that'll be okay for right now. I'll have to fix that after we figure out what is actually going wrong. Because if I have to install new Windows on this will not be very fun at all. It won't even go in. What the heck? Let me try again. I feel like I'm putting this in wrong. Oh, just hard to snap in. I mean, this is probably really old. Came with Windows 7. I mean, look at this thing. It's pretty beat up. They beat up the poor laptop. There's a lot of scratches. Yeah, this thing's old. Okay, now let's see what it does on me. Okay, will it boot up? Nope. I think we're gonna have to install a fresh copy of Windows, which, let me try hitting escape and try getting to the BIOS real quick to see if it can even detect a drive. Oh my, this, yeah. Wonder what happened, why this was working and all of a sudden did this. So, BIOS F10, so let's click F10. Okay, so, oh my, let's try to figure out. Okay, system, let's try boot options. Let's try boot options. We'll set defaults. Okay, so system configuration. Always want boot options. Let's try that. It's not showing anything. Man, where is it? Does it show the boot? Is it even okay, so I'm just gonna try installing a copy of Windows and hopefully that'll work. But I'll catch you guys back. I'll get back to you guys after I'm done installing. I think it's from 2000. So this is like probably around 17 to 18 years old. And oh, never mind. Don't listen to me. So look, warranty start date. So this was at least bought in 2012. So it's probably 5 to 6 years old. But I mean, you can always fix it up. So look at this, guys. 2012. So that's been like 5 or 6 years. So I mean, it's old, but it still can be fixed and made better. It still can be make repairs and make it run faster by buying new parts through an SSD, and it'll make it a heck of a lot faster. But with it being this old, I guess you probably still could use SSD. SSDs are old, but they're really, really nice.